If you are looking for an easy job that
कैसे
you can
बनाते
do
हैं वो
from
सिखाता
home,
हूँ।
where you're not required to have any kind of particular qualification or experience, and if you are an introvert and looking for non-voice text only job, here's a great opportunity for you. If you are a college going student, you are a housewife, or a person who is just looking for a side hustle, can check out this role. This is a chat operator role required to have any kind of specific qualification or job experience. You will not be required to use your voice or your phone. You will only be required to type text. This is an easy to do job. Okay, the company has written that become a chat operator and work from anywhere. So this is a flexible kind of opportunity. It depends on you when and how much would you like to work. Now, here it is written that do you like to write and are you self-employed? Then you are the person we are looking for. So if you're someone who likes to type text and chat with people and sending text, the most important thing that the company used to ask is the ID verification, because they have to verify the age of the person, because the age of the person should be 18 years and above. And to receive the payments, you will be required to send your ID. So you will just be required to send your ID. Company can verify your age and address and that you are a genuine person, spelling of your name, etc. The first part of the application is only asking for your name and email. Okay, later, when your email gets confirmed, the company will send you more information about the process. You will be required to submit your ID for verification purpose. Here, the company will be providing you training, online training, and once your application has been approved and you have been verified, you will need to complete the relevant training before you are ready to start. So this is a very simple kind of opportunity where you will not be required to like pass any kind of particular test or anything. You will just be required to fill up the application form and send your ID for verification purpose. So the people who used to work as a chat operator, they used to write online text messages. So here, as a chat operator, your role will be to answer them and make conversation. And you will chat about everything from everyday life, such as sports or weather, to dreams, fantasies, and other topics. So here you will be chatting with the people living in America. So who are already like lonely, they're not having anyone to talk with, and they are very lonely. So what they do, they and these kind of people used to create their profiles and they used to send messages on the platform, and the people available who is working as a chat operator on the platform, they used to reply to those messages. And as a chat agent, you will be 100% anonymous, so your ID and your name will not be shared with anyone, and you will only be required to send text reply, and no video, no voice. You can earn more depending on how often you work, and you can help those who need someone to talk to. You might be aware that in America there are so many people who are living alone and they're not having anyone to talk with. They're not having anyone to converse, to have a conversation. So these people are basically looking for someone to talk with. As a chat operator, you will work as an independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much or as little as you want, and you can also work from wherever you want. The only required thing is that you must have a PC or a laptop and a stable internet connection so that you can start working uninterruptedly. So the company used to provide basic salary based on how many messages you reply to. So it is hard to say exactly how much the salary will be, but for a chat operator who works around like 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, can easily earn between $100 to $300 weekly. So it can come around like at least $1,200 per month, and some of the top agents make more than 3,000 a month. So it is totally flexible that how much can you earn. So the company used to provide weekly payments in euro, because you should be well versed in English language, because everything like everything that you will be writing, or the text you will be writing, will be in English, of course, and because you will be chatting with the people living in America, and here your age should be 18 years and above. At least 18 years should be required. So you will be required to send a minimum number of messages per week to remain an active operator. So go ahead and check out all the details. And if you are an introvert and looking for a non-voice text only job, and this is an easy to do kind of job, so you can start working on the platform and earn around like $1,000 to $1,200 at least in a month. So thank you for listening.